Hello and welcome to Easy English Zone. I'm Ollie. And today, we will talk about something very important: how to speak English with confidence and enjoy learning it. Maybe you feel shy when you speak English. Maybe you think your accent is not good. Or maybe, you understand English, but speaking feels hard. Don't worry. You are not alone. Many people around the world feel the same. Today, I'll help you understand how to change that feeling. We will talk about simple steps to speak English confidently, and have fun while doing it. So, sit back, relax, and let's begin. Why confidence matters. Confidence means believing in yourself. When you believe you can speak, your voice becomes stronger. When you believe you can learn, your brain becomes more open. Some learners think confidence comes after they speak perfect English. But the truth is, confidence comes before perfection. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need to sound like a native speaker. You just need to try, again and again. Confidence grows when you practice, not when you wait. Think about a baby learning to walk. The baby falls many times, but every time the baby stands up, they get stronger. The same happens with English. Every time you speak, even if you make mistakes, you are learning. So remember, mistakes are part of learning. If you are afraid of mistakes, you stop learning. If you accept them, you grow faster. Say this with me slowly: it's okay to make mistakes. I'm learning every day. Good. That's the right mindset. How to practice speaking every day. Now let's talk about practice. Speaking English every day is the key. But how can you do that if you don't have someone to talk with? Don't worry, I'll give you ideas. 1. Talk to yourself in English. When you wake up, describe what you're doing. Say things like, I'm brushing my teeth. I'm making breakfast. I'm going to school. This may sound funny, but it really works. You are training your brain to think in English. 2. Record yourself. Use your phone and record short sentences. Then, listen to your voice. You will notice progress over time. This helps you become comfortable hearing your own English. 3. Use English in daily life. Change your phone language to English. Watch simple English videos. Listen to podcasts like this one. When you hear English often, your brain becomes used to the rhythm and sound. 4. Find a speaking buddy. It can be a friend, a classmate, or someone online. You don't have to talk long. Just 5 minutes a day is enough. Talk about your day, your dreams, or your hobbies. The more you speak, the more natural it becomes. Enjoy the learning process. Many learners think English is difficult. They study grammar rules and feel tired. But learning should be fun. When you enjoy the process, you learn faster. So, how can you enjoy it? Find topics you love. If you like football, read football news in English. If you like music, learn English songs. If you like cooking, watch English cooking videos. Learning English is not only about grammar books. It's about connecting English with your life. Celebrate small wins. Maybe today you learned 5 new words. That's progress. Maybe today you spoke 1 full sentence in English. That's success. Clap for yourself, seriously. Every small step takes you closer to fluency. And remember, English is not just a language. It's a bridge. It connects you to new people, new ideas, and new opportunities. Overcoming fear. Let's talk about fear. Many learners say, I'm scared to speak. What if people laugh at me? What if I make a mistake? The truth is, everyone feels that at first. Even native speakers sometimes feel nervous in public speaking. So how can we overcome fear? 1. Change your thinking. Instead of saying, "I can't speak English," say, "I'm learning to speak English." Small change, big power. It tells your brain you are improving. 2. Focus on communication, not perfection. When you speak, your goal is to share your message, not to be perfect. If people understand you, then you succeeded. 3. Smile and breathe. Before you speak, take a deep breath and smile. Smiling relaxes your face and makes your voice clearer. It also makes people more friendly toward you. 4. Learn from your mistakes. When someone corrects you, don't feel bad. Say thank you, you just learned something new. Every great English speaker was once a beginner. So don't compare yourself with others, compare yourself with yesterday's you. Building daily habits. To speak confidently, make English a part of your life, every day. Here's a simple daily routine you can follow. Morning, listen to an English podcast for 10 minutes. Even if you don't understand everything, it helps your ears. Afternoon, learn 5 new words. Try to use them in sentences. Evening, speak or write about your day in English. For example, say, "Today I listened to a podcast. I learned new words. I'm getting better." This habit builds confidence over time. Remember, learning English is like watering a plant. You need to give it a little water every day. And one day, it will bloom beautifully. Final words. Before we end, let me tell you something important. You already have what it takes to speak English confidently. You have the courage to learn. You are already doing it, right now, by listening to this podcast. Every word you hear brings you one step closer. Every sentence you try makes you stronger. So never give up. Keep going, even when it feels slow. Learning a language is not a race, it's a journey. And every journey begins with one small step. Repeat after me slowly, "I can speak English. I will practice every day. I enjoy learning. I believe in myself." Beautiful. You see, you're already speaking with confidence. So, my friend, keep speaking, keep smiling, and keep learning. Because the more you enjoy English, the faster you'll grow. Thank you so much for listening to Easy English Zone. I hope today's episode helped you feel more confident and positive about speaking English. If you liked this episode, listen again tomorrow, and let's keep learning together. Until next time. Keep learning, keep growing, and remember, you can speak English confidently. Goodbye, and have a great day. Verb.